In this video, I'll show you how to set up a MetaMask wallet portfolio view. First, open the MetaMask extension or mobile app and sign into your wallet. Then, access MetaMask Portfolio by selecting Portfolio from the MetaMask menu or by opening the Portfolio website and connecting your wallet. Next, connect the wallet you want to track if it isn't already connected. Once connected, MetaMask will automatically scan your supported networks and display your tokens, NFTs, and other supported assets in one place. After that, explore the portfolio dashboard. You can view your total portfolio value, switch between supported networks, review individual token balances, and check your recent transaction activity. If some assets aren't visible, make sure you're connected to the correct network or import the token into your wallet. Now, use the available filters and sorting options to organize your portfolio. Refresh the page if necessary to display the latest balances and verify that your holdings are being tracked accurately across all supported networks. Finally, continue using the portfolio view to monitor your assets, review activity, and manage your wallet more efficiently. You can return at any time to check your balances or explore additional portfolio features. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a MetaMask wallet portfolio view. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.